Hi, welcome to today's session. In this video, we'll be diving into window control and global control, exploring how they work and how to use them effectively. Generally, there are two ways actions can be executed. One is touch control, which uses common switch elements and toggle components. And the other is automatic execution, where actions run automatically when certain conditions are met, such as a set time cycle, bit and word variables, or a combination of both. Both global control and window control are used to manage system operations, but they work slightly differently. Global control applies to the entire system, whereas window control operates only within a specific window. Let's first look at global control and how to set it up. Find Global Control in the Project menu and click Add. The running states are the states of the HMI. And the triggering conditions include several types, which can be selected according to requirements. For the range of word value changes, the minimum is 1. That is, as long as the numerical value changes, the action will be triggered. The expression condition is to combine bit and word variables through and/or logic. Window switch triggers actions when switching between screens, such as displaying the current window number. The trigger response includes immediate response and delayed response. After selecting an execution mode, you can adjust the execution interval. In the action settings, you'll find a list of available actions, which can be freely combined, controlled in order, and configured to send notifications upon failure. All actions also have an Enable-Disable option for flexibility. When selecting Startup State, you cannot choose the trigger conditions. This is because the startup itself is a trigger, similar to a rising edge signal. The triggering response, however, can be set according to your needs, either in prompt response or a delayed response. The execution only supports once, as the device initialization generally needs once. Switch to the action setting. You can see that there are fewer actions compared to running stats. This is because these actions are not suitable for the startup. Next, let's move on to the window. Open the window properties by double-clicking the screen or right-clicking in the window column on the right. All of the settings in the window control are consistent with those of global control, with the only difference being that the trigger conditions are based on the window status, where an instantaneous window close action is included. It is generally used to execute actions when leaving a certain window, such as clearing the report and stopping the animated image. Another feature of window control and global control is that you can transfer a window control setup to another window or even move it directly to global control. This makes managing project conditions much more flexible and efficient. That's it for today's content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.